What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are replacing the selector switch in this MG325. Let's get to it. Alright, so as I said, we are going to replace the selector switch in this MG325. It's not very old. I've had it for a couple of years. This is actually the second one that I've owned because I love this gun so much. It's just a little beast. But so anyway, I was taking off a tire one day and the front of it actually popped out, hit the wheel, and just about took my fucking finger off. So ordered the parts. I'm not going to let Snap-on do it. I'm not going to pay the money. This cost me a couple of bucks. I will leave the parts in the description, or actually just right up here somewhere, the part numbers that you can go and buy the selector valve if this happens to you. So let's get into the video. We're going to tear it down just to the point where we have to replace the selector switch. That's all we're doing. That's all this video is. So let's get to it. Not much you need. This is the new selector. There's two O-rings that go on there. This is the broken piece right here, and as you can see, it's been broken right off in there. So there's not much to this, like I said. First off, we're just going to take off the back, and it comes off pretty easy. It's a T25. There's 4 of them, and T25. So let's just take them right out. That came out pretty easy. And this literally just pops right off. There should be a bearing behind there and a gasket, and I don't want to take this whole thing apart. So yeah, there's the bearing. There's the selector. Let's just take that out. Put that aside. Put this back down, and so the barrel is empty now, as you guys can see. We're just going to put that aside. I'm going to pop this bearing out, put that back on there. We'll clean all that out and put a little bit of grease in there at the end, but alright, so this piece here, because it's broken in there, we're just going to grab a pair of pliers and take the bolt off. And there you have it, just fell right out. So this is your little selector wheel. That's what you hold on to when you're changing the speed or torque setting of the gun. So here we go. Here's a new one. We're going to put a couple of new O-rings on there. We're going to lube them up with some lube, and then just shove this thing back in there. It's not that big of a deal. It's not a very big repair at all. Just showing you guys that it's not. Again, I will leave the parts in the description and in the video here as well, so you guys can see that. So just going to use a little bit of silicone lube. Silicone these little O-rings up. One on that side and that side. All right, that's pretty good. Slides in there all nicely. And we are going to put this cap back on. Put the bearing back in there. Just a little bit of lube back in the back of the plate there. And put this back on. Put our 4 cap screws back in. Tighten them down to spec. Click, click, click. So as you might be able to tell, there is a master spline there, so it only goes on one way. We'll tighten this guy up. Selector valve is working good. We can go ahead and plug it in and see if this baby works now. All right, we're gonna plug it in and back to normal. Works like a charm. So happy to have it back. All right guys, we can stuff the boot back on this thing and put her back into service. Glad to have her back. I missed you, I love you. All right guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all those social media outlets. And peace out guys, happy hunting, boom boom.
Oh hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.